I let it sit for 3 days and nothing leaked, not even a drop.
Huh.
Wow, we ended up making just about the right amount of sugar. So, mix it up a little bit. Justin, we're finally doing it.
Yeah.
We're beekeepers.
I didn't think this would happen, actually. It's pretty cool you came and did this, though.
Well, I figured,
I'm impressed.
wow, we made like exactly the right amount. Go us. I was like, you know, I got a house. It's finally time to get it done. So I'm happy. Yeah, we used too much sugar.
Time to get it done. You could scoop that into there, though. I don't see the harm in that.
Yeah. Let me,
Just drop it in. If it'll fall.
coming.
There's one bee trying to make its way there. So how do they feed from this stuff anyways?
They're gonna sit on the rack.
Sit on the rack and just drink it?
Stick their tongues in.
Okay.
Yeah, this bee, he knows what's up. He's like...
There you go.
Alright, so...
Okay. Let's see. Now place the outer cover on top of the hive. You're almost done. How long will this phone record?
I don't know.
I think it started over because it's only saying 1 minute 35 seconds.
Huh. Maybe it makes 2 videos.
I guess so. Insert your entrance reducer, leaving a 1-finger opening for the bees.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, nice and level.
Leaning forward just a bit so water can run out of it. Alright, do what now? Entrance reducer?
Yep, entrance reducer.
Left it over.